Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Stealthy Finance Tips channel, where we break down the world of finance into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the most common financial mistakes that many people make. Mistakes that could be silently draining your wallet and stunting your financial growth. Stick around to ensure you're not falling into these traps. Let's get started. Segment 1. Overspending and Under-saving. Mistake number 1. Overspending and under-saving. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of buying, but remember this: what you save now builds your future wealth, while what you overspend today borrows from tomorrow's security. Many fall into the habit of spending excessively on wants rather than needs, neglecting to save for future goals or emergencies. Prioritizing savings can create a financial cushion that protects against unexpected expenses and builds long-term wealth. Segment 2. Ignoring budgeting. Number 2. Ignoring budgeting. Without a budget, you're navigating your financial life blindfolded. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a map to financial freedom. Budgeting provides a clear picture of income and expenses, helping to allocate funds effectively. It prevents overspending and ensures that money is available for essential expenses and savings. Segment 3. Accumulating high-interest debt. Example: a credit card bill with high interest rates. Next up, accumulating high-interest debt. Credit cards and loans with high interest can become black holes for your money. Interest rates compound over time, making debt a heavy chain that's tough to break free from. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can quickly balloon if not managed properly. Paying more than the minimum and focusing on reducing these debts can save substantial amounts of money over time. Segment 4. Not having an emergency fund. Visual: a piggy bank labeled emergency fund. Mistake 4. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund is your safety net in turbulent times, preventing financial freefall. An emergency fund provides financial stability during unexpected situations like medical emergencies, job loss, or urgent repairs. It reduces the need to rely on credit cards or loans during crises. Segment 5. Failing to plan for retirement. Visual: retirement plan. Number 5. Failing to plan for retirement. Retirement might seem far away, but the best time to start saving was yesterday. The earlier you begin, the more your investments can grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Early retirement planning takes advantage of compound interest, allowing savings to grow exponentially over time. Consistent contributions, even small ones, can significantly impact financial security in retirement. Segment 6. Neglecting to diversify investments. Visual: a stock market graph. Next is neglecting to diversify investments. Putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. Diversification reduces risk by spreading your investments across different assets. Diversification protects against market volatility by investing in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. It balances potential returns and risks, minimizing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Segment 7. Not investing in financial education. Visual: a person reading a finance book, 7th on the list. Not investing in financial education. Knowledge is power. Understanding financial principles equips you to make informed decisions, avoid scams, and seize opportunities. Financial education empowers individuals to manage their money wisely, understand investment strategies, and recognize the implications of financial decisions. It helps in avoiding common pitfalls and optimizing financial growth. Segment 8. Overlooking Insurance. Visual: an insurance policy document. Another common mistake: overlooking insurance. Insurance isn't just a cost, it's protection. Proper insurance shields you from financial ruin in the face of unexpected events. Car or auto insurance, life insurance. Adequate insurance coverage for health, life, and property protects against substantial financial losses due to accidents, illnesses, or disasters. It ensures financial stability and peace of mind. Segment 9. Chasing quick riches. Visual, a flashy ad promising quick wealth. Mistake 9. Chasing quick riches. Get-rich-quick schemes often lead to disappointment and loss. True wealth is built through patience, persistence, and prudent investing. Pursuing high-risk investments or schemes promising fast returns can lead to significant financial losses. Building wealth typically involves long-term strategies and disciplined saving and investing. Segment 10. Underestimating the power of small habits. Visual, a jar filling up with coins. And finally, underestimating the power of small habits. Small, consistent actions like saving a little each month or cutting back on unnecessary expenses can lead to substantial financial progress over time. Small financial habits, such as saving a portion of income regularly or reducing daily expenditures, accumulate over time, contributing to larger financial goals. They create a foundation for stable and sustainable financial health. Conclusion. There you have it, 10 common financial mistakes and how to avoid them. By being aware and making smarter choices, you're already on the path to better financial health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Until next time, stay smart and stay financially savvy. Remember, financial freedom isn't about having more, it's about managing what you have wisely. See you in the next video.